Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, we will going to discuss some interesting GK questions. So let's start. First question. What is the national game of USA? Answer. Baseball. What is the scientific name of human? Answer. Homo sapiens. Which is the most poisonous fish in the world? Answer. Stonefish. What is the full form of SIM? Answer. Subscriber Identity Module. Which is the largest joint in the human body? Answer. Knee. The first Indian woman to go into space? Answer. Kalpana Chawla. Name the first satellite launched by India. Answer. Aryabhatta. Paleontology is the study of. Answer. Fossils. What is the duration of singing the national anthem? Answer. 52 seconds. What is the full name of Mahatma Gandhi? Answer. Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi. British rule was ended in which year? Answer. In 1947. Charminar is situated in which city of India? Answer. Hyderabad. Capital of Dadra and Nagar Haveli is? Answer. Silvassa. What is the capital of Gujarat? Answer. Gandhinagar. Chemotherapy is used for the treatment of? Answer. Cancer. Chemical formula for common salt is? Answer. NaCl, that is sodium chloride. Solid carbon dioxide is known as? Answer. Dry ice. What is the speed of Earth around Sun? Answer. 30 km per second. Which country awards the Nobel Prize? Answer. Sweden. First human to walk on the moon? Answer. Neil Armstrong. Which is the smallest country in the world? Answer: Vatican City. Which is the smallest continent in the world? Answer: Australia. Name the birthplace of Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose. Answer: Cuttack in Odisha. What was the old name of Bangladesh? Answer: East Pakistan. Constitution Day of India is celebrated on? Answer: on 26 November. Which country got independence in 2011? Answer: South Sudan. During the boycott of Simon Commission, which leader died of lathi charge? Answer: Lala Lajpat Rai. What was the old name of Jim Corbett National Park? Answer: Halley National Park. When did Gandhiji return to India from South Africa? Answer: on 9th January 1915. Cristiano Ronaldo belongs to which country? Answer: Portugal. What is the capital city of Rajasthan? Please comment this answer in the comment box and subscribe my channel to watch the latest videos.